LNG Bunker 141. LNG sector is growing and the bunker sector is one of those that south of Spain, many companies have now 1, 2, 3, even east coast of Spain, 3, 4 LNG bunker ships. Oil majors are now chartering these long-term ships, and of course Spain is a strategical appendix for the maritime world commerce. Around 75,000 ships planet Earth has, and about 70% touch Spain. Therefore, they will need bunkers one day. Yeah, and so it is very important to have a partner within Spain for these bunker ships, and Spanish crew are available. Even though Madeira flag states and confirms that there is no European crew, that's not true. Okay, for not to say the opposite. And therefore, there are Spanish crew available. Of course, if we are talking about an AB, we could be around these 3,000 euros. We have a Filipino AB bunker fleet. They have around, now the dollar euro is something like 2,000 euros approx. But see, it's not so far away, especially if we add up that today a flight from Filipinas to Barcelona, Valencia, Malaga, Algeciras is around 4,000 if you do have a tourist seat, economy seat. If not, you can pay 10,000 for a business seat. Plus have the risk of should I or should I not, and have the crew available. Therefore, think in Candina, because we have a really huge experience in LNG since the LNG fleet started sailing about 1962. So it's been many years since Candina has this experience, and you will need local solution. Why? Because all these oil majors talk about this ESG, corporate social responsibility, blah 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 blah. Indeed. So why not employ local crew, Spanish crew? I wonder, or European crew mixed, because there is a lot of LNG now experienced Europeans that would have to have flown to the war areas today. That if we provide a 4 or 5 term, long term, or I like number 7-year long-term contract for these 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 LNG ships, perhaps dear oil major, we can solve your problem and we can employ Europeans and we can make everybody happy, and that's ESG, isn't it? Therefore, please contact us, because we have a huge experience doing this for a very many years, and it's time that we really invest in the coast and the employment of European crews for LNG bunker sector. Thank you, bye, hasta la vista.